15 will tell you that I'm way ahead of Ching. Alright.
Even sir, wala nang hatak yung mga local governments in terms of...
Kasi may kalaban din sila eh. And yung kalaban nila, mga mayors namin, malakas eh. Saka mga former LGU officials din yung mga and our mayoral candidates, walang pangit na track record eh. As if you would compare din sa mga incumbent na mga mayors of district, very questionable yung kanilang personalities.
Ma'am, whatever the outcome of the election, you're going to pursue the cases that you have defined.
Yes, because those cases will last even beyond the election period. Those are criminal cases. They're actually terrorism cases. So they should be held accountable.
Also filed a case against Kerwin Espinosa.
Same. All three of them, Mayor Bernie Tacoy, Kerwin Espinosa, and Mr. Ching Veloso, they all have the same offense. It's a terrorism case.
Under the law, you cannot challenge anyone to a gun duel. That is against the law.
Bong, you said before that you will release a statement about those allegations.
What allegations?
Yung allegations niya or na you are behind yung shooting incident.
With the arm of police, with the arm of police affiliation.
I do not control the police. That's not beyond my authority. And maganda nga sa kanya, pagkabaril, alam niya kagad kung ano yung tumama sa kanya. Alam niya kagad kung ano yung baril na tumama sa kanya. Na bumaril sa kanya. So, yun parang questionable na eh. And then they were trying to look for witnesses. Sa kisame ng covered court. They found no one. So they had to resort to looking for witnesses. For suspects. That itself, pagdating sa court nun, trash kagad yun, dismiss kagad yun.